This is day 29 of the 30-day Minimalist Challenge. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your endless to-do list? Today, I'm going to show you how to master minimalist goal setting in 3 easy steps. Let's simplify your life and make those goals achievable. Step 1. Identify your core values. First things first, figure out what truly matters to you. Grab a pen and paper and jot down the top 3 things that are most important in your life. It could be family, health, or personal growth. By knowing your core values, you'll be able to set goals that align with your true self. Step 2. Set specific, simple goals. Next, take those core values and transform them into actionable goals. The key here is to keep them specific and straightforward. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," try something like, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week." This makes your goals clear and manageable. Step 3. It's time to create a minimalist action plan. Focus on just 1 or 2 tasks at a time and avoid overloading your schedule. Use tools like a minimalist planner or a simple to-do list to track your progress. Remember, less is more. Subscribe for more videos. I focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve people's lives. To recap, identify your core values, set specific and simple goals, and create a minimalist action plan. And guess what? The very last video in this series is next, maintaining a minimalist lifestyle. Tips for long-term success. Were any of these videos beneficial to you? Leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell. See you in the next video.